Assalamu alaikum guys, you're welcome to this week's video. Today we're going to be making coconut milk. Here I have washed and broken my coconut into tiny bits for easy processing. So
this is the amount I'm going to use. I'm just going to go ahead, add water, a little bit, so that it can enable it to blend well. So I'll cover it now.
For a more concentrated milk, add less water, and if you want it lighter, less concentrated, add more water. So let's check and see if it is well blended, and then we would sieve, extracting the milk. It's okay, so we'll go ahead and strain our milk, then we'll return it back to the blender to process the second time. This is to ensure we harvest as much milk as we can. You can also use cheesecloth for straining, for removing the milk. After blending for the second time to extract more milk, you can see how light the milk is now as compared to the first one.
So coconut milk is a very creamy milk, especially when you make it thicker.
You can use the chaff for baking or for any other culinary purposes. So here is our coconut milk.
Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video. See you soon.